2003 Honda Accord. It's got about 80,000 miles on it, and I want to show you a problem I'm having with it. Okay, it's got 80,354 miles on it, and it's making some weird noises. I want to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, I just replaced the engine coolant, and I accidentally just opened my trunk instead of my hood. Alright. You could hear the noise that it's making right now. Oh, it's right there. Okay, now, as the engine cools down, the sound of the engine is a little bit different, but this bell by the alternator is making noise. This is a bell noise. Okay, so my belt is making noise. I don't know what it is, but watch. I'm going to put it in drive. The noise stays the same. Noise is exactly the same at all times.